Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Charge the battery above 20% and plug the phone into a computer. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the PC can send commands. Next, install minimal ADB tools on the computer. This lets you control boot functions without the power key. Make sure the USB connection is set to file transfer or debugging mode, because a blocked mode prevents command communication and stalls the next steps. With debugging active, open a command prompt and confirm the device with a DB devices. You can reboot directly using a DB reboot or enter recovery with a DB reboot recovery. This bypasses the broken power button. If ADB is not an option, enable the accessibility menu or install an assistive touch-style app while you still have control, because they provide on-screen power controls. Alternatively, schedule an automatic power on or use a USB charge trick combined with volume key combos to force startup. After booting, create a reliable alternative. Enable an on-screen power shortcut, double-tap to wake, or configure an accessibility service so you can lock and power without the button. Test the method by rebooting and using the new shortcut to confirm it works. If the device does not respond, make sure the USB cable and drivers are correct, reinstall ADB, or, if removable, temporarily disconnect the battery, then reconnect. That often resolves hardware stalls and lets you complete the workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.